Hello fellow developers, welcome back. Today we are diving into the world of promises, specially focusing on the powerful promise all settled method. But what if your environment doesn't support it? Well, there's where our polyfill comes into the play. Stick around as we explore the code and understand how it differs from promise all. Let's jump in. Before we dive into the polyfill, let's quickly recap what Promise All Settled does. Unlike Promise All, it doesn't ball out on the first rejection. Instead, it resolves once all promises have settled, providing an array of objects indicating the status of each promise. Now, let's take a look at our polyfill. We start by checking if the native all-settled method is available. If not, we define our own. We create a new promise using new promise that takes a resolve function. This is the outer promise that we will be resolving once all promises have settled. We use for each to iterate through the array of promises passed to promise all settled. For each promise, we use promise.resolve to ensure it's a promise regardless of its initial state. We attach a then handler for fulfillment and a catch handler for rejection. If a promise is fulfilled, we store its value with a status of fulfilled in the results array. If a promise is rejected, we store the reason along with the status of rejected in the results array. We use a finally block to ensure that the settled count is incremented regardless of whether the promise is fulfilled or rejected. We check if the settled count is equal to the total number of promises. If so, it means all the promises have settled, and we resolve the outer promise with the results array. This approach allows us to collect information on each promise's outcome, whether fulfilled or rejected, providing a comprehensive overview of the entire operation. This is the beauty of Promise All Settled, and our polyfill ensures that this functionality is available even in environments lacking the native support. And there you have it. Our polyfill for Promise All Settled ensures consistent behavior across different environments. Use it when you need to know the fate of every promise. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. And as always, happy coding everyone.